Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Minifig Club unboxing for October. Some of the postcards kind of get stuck in there. So I did get a sticker that goes on this postcard. When you fill it up, you mail it back to them and you get a prize. So that's almost filled up. You also get a bigger version of that sticker. It's a cute little spider web. A magnet, a bookmark, and then you do get a postcard, and then there's always a challenge or some kind of activity on here and links to like their Facebook page. And here are the pieces. So you get a piece of the month, so that's probably going to be a spider or something Halloween themed, I would assume. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Such a good guesser. Creepy spider. He's huge. So we have him. And then there's a bag of accessories. Oh, cool. Got a little serpent head. A hat, batarang, a donut, carrot with a little stem. This cool thing. Yellow coffee mug, a walkie-talkie, a brown hairpiece, and this little tile. And then you get enough pieces to build 3 minifigures, and then you have a couple pieces left over. So it's a pretty good deal for your money, and they are all official Lego pieces. Got this body piece, some blue legs, with like some silver knee pads on them. Green chest piece, looks like a female with a necklace. A green Hulk face. A white face, that's pretty cool looking. I don't know if it's focusing. Some short silver legs. Red and green pants. And we do have this minifigure, little disco guy from one of the series. I always drop a head every single video. This one looks like an old man with some reading glasses and then just a smiling face. So that's what I got for the month of October. If you guys are interested in the subscription, I'll put a link below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.